This is part 2 of the text, The Smell of Soup and the Sound of Money. Before we continue reading, you need to take a look at the new words. You need to learn them, both to pronounce them correctly and also to write them correctly. Onion, løk, garlic, hvitløk, cabbage, kål, pick up, ta til seg, just then, akkurat da, roughly, hardt, towards, mot, judge, dommer. Da fortsetter vi å lese. Let's continue reading. This soup smells wonderful. Onion, garlic, tomatoes. Carrots, cabbage. Perhaps if I hold my bread over the soup, it will pick up its good smell. She holds her bread over the soup. Just then, the restaurant owner walks in. What are you doing? You are stealing my soup. No, I promise. I didn't take any soup. I was only smelling it. Then you must pay for the smell. Give me 5 pence. But I have no money. Then you shouldn't have entered my kitchen. You will have to pay. Come with me. The restaurant owner takes her roughly by the arm. And pulls her towards the door. Where are you taking me? To the judge. Before we continue, you need to see and take a closer look at the new words. At the court. I rettssalen. Waving his arms. Vifter med armene. Pence. Flertall av penny, britisk mynt. Your Honor. Herr dommer. Jingles. Klirrer. Calmly. Rolig. Rubbing. Gnir. Quietly. Stille. Now let's get back to the text. At the court, the judge listens carefully. to both sides of the story. The restaurant owner is shouting and waving his arms wildly. The old woman is crying softly. So, you want this old lady to pay for the smell of soup? Of course I do. But you know she has no money. Well, that's not my problem. I want my money. Please bring me 5 pence. Yes, Your Honour. I'll be right back. I knew you would understand. The assistant returns with the money. Here is the money. Come closer. Now listen. The judge jingles the coins in his hands. Do you hear that sound? Yes, it's a beautiful sound. You wanted this lady to pay you 5 pence. For the smell of soup. Now I am paying you with the sound of money. Get out of here. Come with me. Thank you, Judge. Take these coins and buy yourself a bowl of soup, good lady.